so misunderstood. You're so misunderstood.
Something we'd always thought about is trying to find a place to play together where we could all do our side project bands and play as Wilco together. And out of that, I grew this idea of doing a festival. And we got inspired by the possibility of using all of this space. And but basically, I think it just grew out of the idea that Wilco contains a lot of different things that maybe people wouldn't expect to be in the same band together, or much less be types of music that one person could like.
Singing sad songs, tuned to cold, strung down your cheeks, bitter melodies, turning your orbit around.
You know, we're at a 19th century, textile mill turned cutting-edge contemporary art museum. You know, it provides this fantastic backdrop where we can put Wilco in for the weekend and have 72 hours of joyous fun.
Be around. You write about the stars. Each one is a setting sun.
We like to make new work here. If there's anything that separates Masamoka from what people expect when they come into museums, people are used to going to museums and seeing works of art that come on truck, and you take it off the truck and hang it on the wall, or sculpture that comes in and you wheel it in. Much of the work that we show here, and I think much of the best work that we show here, gets made on site, and it's new. It's often artists arrive not quite knowing exactly what final form the work will take. And I think there's something of that vibe in this festival.
I love, it's all we have.
I think at the heart of Soilid Sound is community and collaboration. It provides, this wonderful place for people to come and interact, and it's done on a scale that you can do that.
I usually go down to South by, but this is nice. It's more low-key, less trendy, and I love the family thing. It's so nice to see all big families out together and enjoying themselves.
Turn to cold, strung down your cheeks, bitter melodies, turning your orbit around.
As much as you can curate a festival and offer, what you offer in organizing it, it's still the real nature of it is determined by the people that come, and it really is a sort of greater whole.
There aren't a lot of lines in the sand drawn in Wilco, and I think that that was the best opportunity for us to explain that, or to show that.
Last cigarettes, all you can